Hi, I'm just doing a second recording of this lesson because when I watched it, I wasn't holding my camera properly because I'm not a very tall person. My arms are not long enough to have it hold it high enough. So some of this thing may have been missing. So just a quick recap on what I did the last lesson. So this is page 7 and this is all the three SHM graphs. So one is displacement time, the second one is velocity time, and the third one is acceleration time. So what you do is over here, the first one, you divide your reference circle into 8 quadrants, and for all of them, timing starts at equilibrium. So your reference particle is here. So the length of your displacement phasor is the amplitude, and as the reference particle moves anti-clockwise, the SHM particle will go down, up, and then all the way down and back. So what I'm doing is just plotting a displacement time graph. So at time 0, this is where your reference particle is, and this is where the SHM particle is. 1 second later, it's here. So the SHM particle is in the same horizontal line. After 2 seconds, they're both right at the top. 3 seconds, it's coming down. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So if you trace it, it becomes a sine curve, and so the equation becomes y equals a sine theta, or y equals a sine omega t. Your velocity time graph, so even though it's at equilibrium, the velocity of your reference particles at a tangent to the circle. So because it's a tangent pointing upwards, you've got to draw your arrow this way, and so your timing. So even though the timing starts at equilibrium, you get your 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 this way. Okay, and similarly, when you're tracing this as it moves down, you end up with a cos curve, and that's your equation. And your acceleration time graph. So acceleration of anything going in a circle points towards the center of the circle. So because we have to have the tail of the arrow at the center, you've got to kind of translate it here. So it's moving from here anti-clockwise this way. And so that traces a negative sine curve. And those are your 3 equations. I'll also take a photo of this and upload it. So I think that's it.